Hi guys! Mayong adlaw na tong tanan, and today we are here at the Yehey Mandaue. Finally guys! Finally after a long wait. May 1 year PMS is here at Yehey Mandaue. Sa ilahang showroom dito guys, here in Cebu, Mandaue. And we are here for our 1 year PMS guys. So we can show you how much ang mga bayaran, and also guys, good news. For how many months of waiting, our parts for our shop has finally arrived. The American shop, our 1 year PMS, and also our replacement of the shops today. So we're gonna have a run through about this guys and check it out. Okay guys, so na-claim na magbalik si Blue or Coolray. So we're now home, and finally wala na gid siya. Hindi mo to ba? Siya murag shaky sa front. Front wheel, right front nga wheel. Dari pa borsa ako before kuan.
So replacement na siya guys after
na
a couple of months of waiting. So, nakuha na siya. Finally, it's been changed and replaced to new one. So, everything so far, mandagan rin. So far, may kadungog og tingog. So, everything works okay. And also, nice ang pag-maintenance. Balik na sa ka-super pugno sa damong aircon. Very clean. Ang among car na sad. Mga na kanindot kay i-washing og tarong. Then, also ang gawas magiwasan giwaksan sa ligi tanan. So, then now my wife will share the details.
Yeah, kung pila among nabayaran, how much is the question for 1 year PMS for Yehey Coolray Comfort. So here it is. Okay, so this is the official receipt for the PMS nga 1 year. So, ang damage is 7,124 for 1 year. So, ang usual gibayran ani niya is katong syempre ang oil nga 0W20, sorry. Then, mga ka-filtera niya. Oil filter, the
95
filter churva, filter sa aircon. So ang aircon naman karon is set at 2. There, set at 2, pero kuan na gid siya kanang bugnaw na a lot cooler compared before the PMS. Okay guys, so that's it guys. We hope we've given you
enough information,
especially the budget. Of course, the main concern is the budget. Kung pila ato ang mabayran for the first PMS for the Yehey Coolray.
First 1 year.
First 1 year then, sorry. 1 year PMS sa Yehey Coolray. So it's all around 7,124. So given na siya guys nga ni-increase na tanan rong mga palaliton.
Inflation, you guys, inflation.
So before gi-expect na mo ani mga 6,900, but mahal na nga yung oil, so muna siya ni come up na to 7,000. Okay guys,
so that's it guys. So see you.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe guys, please.
Thank you so much.
Give us a thanks also guys, the new
Thank you. Bye bye. See you next time.